On this level, I think we've now only got 2 houses to actually physically put up. The smaller ones, what we call the smaller ones, even though they're quite big, we can put them up a lot quicker. It's made it look like things have speeded up, but an E-house, or this is classed as what we call an E-house, this is like 2 houses in one. It's 2 stories, it's huge. I think it's a lot bigger than people thought when you actually physically put it up. We've got one set of guys going around putting the main structure up. The main frames are just knocked together, but we do put screws in the floor panels and stuff like that. And then they do the internal roof and the external roof, and we do all the internal walls. Then we have another set of guys putting in all the gable ends, everything with windows in, stuff like that. We then have another set of guys putting the tarmac on the roofs to try and make them watertight. Then we have another set of guys going around and putting all the internal membrane in. Everybody's following each other, and we're trying to get to a point where we're ready for the external cladding. You seem to arrive on a Monday, you're going home on a Friday, and it's just like goes so quick, it's just unreal. But there again, so does your weekend.